Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today, I have a treat for you. I am bringing you HomeGoods on a budget. I swear I could probably design an entire house with some of these HomeGood purchases. Always, the floral is on point. Very good floral. I think the reason why they don't compete with Hobby Lobby is because of the quantity. Normally, it's only one or two pieces that they have available for you to purchase. Enjoy the video. Leave a comment, what was your favorite? And at the end of the video, I have curated some wonderful pieces, and most of these are designer dupes. So stay to the end and check out some of the dupes. Until next time, make every day a great day.
Recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. I grew up, I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Come seek me out.
If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.